Let's face it, most crypto exchanges are difficult to navigate and are generally very messy. With more than 250 exchanges currently available, finding the best rate can easily lead to a terrible headache. Not to mention that each exchange requires you to complete a different type of identity verification. Hey there, my name's Evgeny and I'm here to show you why Crypterium is your best choice when it comes to exchanging the most popular cryptocurrencies. The app is integrated with the most popular crypto exchanges like Kraken and Binance. Every time you make a transaction, our AI-based matching engines goes through them and gets you the best deal. Sounds interesting? Now let me show you how it works. Start off by launching the Crypterium app on your iOS or Android device and log in. If you haven't already downloaded the Crypterium app, you can find the download link in the description below. Now, click on the exchange button located on the main dashboard. Then, select the currency you would like to exchange. You can pick any of the cryptocurrencies currently available in the Crypterium app. In my case, I will exchange Ripple. Next, enter the cryptocurrency you would like to receive in return. I would like to receive Bitcoin Cash. Once you're done with that, enter the amount you would like to exchange. The system will automatically display the exchange rate used for your transaction. Once you're sure all the provided information is right, you can click on Exchange to confirm the order. The exchange operation will be processed immediately. That's it! As you can see, exchanging crypto in the Crypterium app is as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's time you try it yourself. Now, it's your turn to send crypto to that special someone. Click here to learn how to send money to anyone in the world commission-free. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Your money, your way.